then.
You come
and
up.
kick your ass in the process.
You have got to be shitting me. You just walked in my house without knocking or anything.
Well, let me give you that explanation now. You see, that belt, I won a chance at that belt. And I don't want to wait till October to be wearing that belt. So I come here. Look, it's gonna look great, right? It's gonna look great, right?
Up to my chin.
I didn't cheat to win. I've never cheated. Just keep cheating, Roxy. It's all you know how to do.
Just cry about it, okay? Excuse me, I had to take a break. I had to go get my belt and shine it up. Because it's still mine.
Well, she cheated to win.
Shut up! 5th title defense. Still my belt. Because I am giving it a meaning.
Keep cheating.
I can't see facing one.